Today, we're excited to share with you the story of a pool that we didn't just transform, but that also helped to transform the fate of a luxurious property in Boca Raton, Florida. We started with a pool that, while functional, was nothing out of the ordinary. It was just another pool in a high-end home. But we knew it had the potential to be so much more. What was once a common pool became a true masterpiece. With its modern design and state-of-the-art features, it became the highlight of the property. But the story doesn't end there. This week, we share the news straight from the Palm Beach Post. The house, enhanced by our pool renovation, sold for an impressive $7.25 million. Yes, you heard that right, $7.25 million. This not only reaffirms the value of our work, but also the impact it can have on the real estate market. And the new owner? None other than the leader of the Celsius Energy Drink Company, now our newest client. This demonstrates that our commitment to delivering excellence does not go unnoticed. At JMC, every project is an opportunity to create something unique. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Stay tuned for our next big transformation.